What up, what up? I got a 2015 Ford Fiesta doing a drive belt. So the only way, supposedly, well, I mean, according to all data, to get the belt off, you got to cut it off because there is no tensioner. You got your crank down there, water pump, alternator, then your AC compressor. There is no tensioner. So to get it on, you gotta put it on the old school way. You gotta rotate it. So you want to start it on your alternator, get around your AC compressor, put it under your water pump, and down here, your crankshaft. That's an 18 millimeter. That's an 18 millimeter right there. So that's an 18 millimeter. Got a 1/2 inch drive. As you can see, I got vice grips right there. What I'm gonna do is, to prevent the belt from slipping off water pump, what I usually do is I take this and I just hold the pry bar like right here and kind of push it towards the vehicle while I'm rotating. So I'm gonna need 2 hands for that because I'm gonna have to hold pry bar with one hand, rotate with the other hand. All right, so I got it on there. I had to kind of guide it so you can move it back and forth with your pry bar to line it up. While you're rotating it, it does take 2 hands. So I do have it on. I had to rotate it. There's no tensioner, like I said. So just make sure that you got it all the way lined up with the crank so that it's not like, you know, too far this way, too far this way. If it is, just keep rotating it and then take your pry bar and stick it here on either side, like right in here or right in here, and then use this lip on the crank to guide it. And then you can get it on there.